Hello everybody. Today I would like to speak about the three missed opportunities as the indigenous tribal of Meghalaya. Firstly, we missed the opportunity of becoming the state under Article 371, where more powers are given to the state to administer and govern itself, where no Act of Parliament can apply in respect of social religious practices of that particular state. Ownership and transfer of land and its resources, administration of civil and criminal justice according to the customary laws of that particular indigenous tribe in that particular state. Secondly, we missed the opportunity to oppose the transfer of Block 1 and Block 2 into Meeker Hills in 1951 and to ask for its inclusion in Meghalaya in 1969. Thirdly, we missed the opportunity of transforming Meghalaya into one of the top states in India, despite huge potential in mineral, water and natural resources. And now we have only one last opportunity, and that is to bring about clean and good governance through clean politics, in order to revive, restore and transform Meghalaya, and to make Meghalaya one of the top and richest states in India. You may ask me why I speak about these three missed opportunities. The reason is that I want to tell the whole world that as any other tribal community in India, we also have our own history, our culture, our traditions, our practices, our system of land holding, and measures to safeguard and protect our own community and our land. Perhaps the government of India is not aware of this history, which is why, till today, the government of India is adopting a stepmotherly treatment towards the state of Meghalaya. Thank you.